All right, guys, we got you guys today a 2021 Toyota Tundra Platinum Edition, 5.6 liter, I think they come in. Don't quote me on that. It's a really beautiful truck, and he's been watching our videos for a long time. So he went and ordered that bolt-on kit. I'll show you guys it in a minute. It's got 4 factory converters. There's one back here, and one right there. And then it comes true dual from the factory into a dual in single out muffler and then a tailpipe. So when he bought the CARVEN system, it's a bolt-on system. It's a CARVEN R system. As you can see, it comes with this Y pipe setup that it's bolt-on. And then there's the CARVEN R and the 3-inch tailpipe out the back. But what he's complaining about is it drones really, really bad. So we did a J pipe for him. It's supposed to help a lot with the drone. And so we made him a custom J pipe, as you guys can see right there. It doesn't take any of the sound away. It just takes the drone away inside the cab. That really bad, like ooh sound like that. So that's how you do a J pipe on these. As you guys can see, because there's not really a lot of space back here to put it. It'll look really funny. So we just put it under the muffler to hide it and keep it, look a lot better. So, and then it comes with a 4-inch or a 5-inch tip right there, CARVEN system. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sounds really nice. Yeah, see the on it? Oh, wow. Okay. Again? Sound decibels, one more. 105. Go ahead and back it up. I think it sounds phenomenal though. That sounds really nice. It's clean, deep tone. CARVEN never disappoints with that. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Platinum with CARVEN R cat back system. We'll get you guys a link in the description when we find it, if we can find one. Yep. Get on the beat.